So, has this ever happened to you? Riding along and the check engine light just comes on, and you just randomly just, oh my God, what am I gonna do? No worries. Check this out. Pull out the scan tool, the handy dandy one, and plug it in. Make sure it's plugged in, because if it's not, it won't work. Go through it. If you can read, you can re-pull up codes and everything else that's going on in your car. Alright, this mode takes forever because it's old. Oh, there we go. We got 4 codes. Let's see what we got. Oxygen, yeah, okay. O2 sensors, yeah. NOx sensor, okay. Pending. Aha. What are we gonna do now? Let's go through and let's fix the car. Yeah. Of course, yes. Yes. Of course the car's off. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what. There we go. No check engine light. Yeah, buddy. What? 2 codes? Nope. Yeah, let's try this. Nah. Okay. Let's see what we got.